Welcome. In this tutorial, we will point or forward a domain name we already own to a website or web page of our choice. So let's get started. These instructions will be using GoDaddy. You'll notice I'm already logged into my GoDaddy account. You'll need to do that first. From there, you click Manage Domains. A list of all of your domain names will pop up. You'll select the one you want to use. In this case, I'm clicking on the link for Manage DNS. When the page opens, you'll then scroll to the very bottom where you see the option to add domain forwarding. So let's click on that. Now it's important that you have the URL of the place you want people to go to. I've got that open as a separate tab, so I'm going to then select what's in the browser bar, that's the URL, and then right-click to copy. I go back to my domain manager. Now I've got the option if I'm forwarding to an HTTP page or an HTTPS page. You'll know based on if there's an HTTPS. In this case there's not, so it's just a regular web page, not a secure web page. So I select that. I then paste the entire URL. I'm going to go back with my cursor and review because I see now at the beginning I accidentally recopied and pasted the information ahead of the www, which is not correct. So then to make sure, test and verify, I'm going to click the preview button. Number one, does it take me to an active web page and is it the one I want? Yes, it is. Perfect. So my preview works. The next thing I have to decide is what kind of forward do I want. In this case, I'm going to choose permanent. And then I have also a choice to forward only or forward with masking. The difference is if I do forward only, then if a person types in my domain name, then they will land on the correct URL and they will see it displayed in their browser bar. If instead I choose forward with masking, what that does is when the person types in the domain name, the only thing they will see in this browser bar would be the domain name, such as in this case. This was what we would see if we were doing domain forwarding with masking. To me, that's not important, so I will leave it blank. But if you do choose masking, then you also have the option to replace the information on the web page with a different title, description, and keywords for search engine optimization. Again, I'm going to do a forward only, so that's not important for my purposes. I'll select forward only. I check to yes, make sure I'm updating, and I want this change to take place. I click Save. It says some updates require confirmation. There may be an email. I close that. Now let's test it, shall we? So this is the domain name that I want to use and that I want to point, right? So let's open a new tab and let's then paste it and see where it goes. Does it go to the page we wanted? In fact, it does. That means our tutorial today was a success. If this was helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, comment. I'd love any feedback as well. Thank you and have a great day.